Kumusta ka? Just because someone carry it so well, doesn't mean it's not heavy and tiring at all. Si malakas ay pwedeng maghina. Si provider ay pwedeng mawalan. Si ate ay pwedeng mapagod. At si kuya ay pwedeng masaktan. Pwedeng mukhang okay pa at maayos pa sa labas, pero they also need an outlet. You know, it gives much comfort when someone asks you with sincerity. Minsan nai-intimidate tayo dun sa lakas at tapang ng isang tao kaya nahihiya na tayong mga musta. Pero naniniwala ako that everyone has their weak spots too. Mas masarap sa pakiramdam yung alam mo may kasama ka na nakakaunawa sa'yo. And it only takes one sincere kumusta ka to rescue one soul from drowning. And you know it's sincere when your burden suddenly becomes lighter when you open up. Dear, this is a sign for you to snatch someone from darkness. With love and prayers, Noel.